So I don't usually do a red lip, but honey, I look good. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. So in this video I will be showing you guys how I achieved this nice soft Valentine's Day date night makeup look. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved this look right here, then please keep on watching. Alright you guys, so to start off this look, I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics 42 color Ultimate Matte eyeshadow palette, and it looks like this. See if I can fit this big old palette in the screen. It looks like this. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'm gonna take this shade right here. So I'm gonna use this on my Anastasia Beverly Hills A25 brush, and I'm just gonna place this on the outer corner first and bring it up into the crease. Alright you guys, so the next shade I'm going to use is this one right here, which is like this beige color. And I'm going to place this all over my eyelid. So I don't want to cut my crease or do anything like super harsh. I want everything to be nice and soft. And yeah, this is a Anastasia Beverly Hills A13 brush. So I really like this eyeshadow palette. First, it's affordable and all of these shades are very pigmented. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a wing, and I'm gonna use this Essence Super Last Matte Black Eyeliner. You can find this at Ulta. Oh, I just can't do my wing while filming. Like, I'm usually like this close to my camera. I mean, to my mirror. I already put one lash on, but the lashes that I'm using is from Lashing Out Lashes. Right here. And they're in the style Desire. I love these lashes. They're my favorite right now. They're just so thick and full. Like, I love big lashes. Now you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my skin with my Pond's moisturizer, of course. Y'all know I love this stuff, so just going to moisturize. So for foundation, I'm using the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. I'm in the shade 0910. And if my energy is like, right now, my daughter is like running around, making all this noise. She won't let me film. So I'm going to blend all this out with my Sonia Kashuk sponge. I love this foundation. Oh my god, y'all, like, look at my skin. It's so bomb. It's full coverage. It's so nice. And it's drugstore, so you don't have to worry about like splurging. So next I'm going to use the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Concealers. Yeah, I'm obsessed with these now. If you guys haven't tried these out, go try these out. I got it in the shade 160 Warm Tan and 145 Warm Beige. One to conceal and one to highlight, so I'm just going to use both. So you guys, after all my concealer is blended out, I'm going to go ahead and use this Black Radiance Banana Setting Powder. I have it here in the cap. Alright you guys, so next I'm going to use my NYX Highlight and Contour Palette. I love this highlight and contour palette. So I'm going to take these two shades, the darkest shade and this one right here. To set my makeup, I'm using the new Wet n Wild Photo Focus Coconut 3-in-1 Primer Water. All of these names are just so long. Super cute. They're still really small. I wish they would make like a bigger version because I really like their setting spray. So I'm going to quickly use that brown shade once again and blend it out on the lower lash line. So I'm not going to put too much on the lower lash line, just something to add some color down there. Because like I said, you guys, I want this to be like a nice soft Valentine's Day look. So I'm going to add my Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara. I like all Wet n Wild mascaras. So I'm going to go ahead and add my highlight, and I'm using the Wet n Wild MegaGlow highlighting powder. Oh, this is their highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. So moving on to lips, I'm going to line my lips with this NK dark brown lip pencil. Y'all can find this at the beauty supply store, okay, for $1. So yeah. So you guys, the liquid lipstick is from Anastasia Beverly Hills and it's in the shade Sarafine. This is the completed look. I hope you guys slay this look on Valentine's Day. If you do recreate it, please tag me on Instagram so I can see. And I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will talk to y'all in my next one. Bye.